Kartik month starts from Diwali and it ends with Kartik Amavasya. Kartik is most auspicious month because Diwali comes into this month, and I love Kartik Purnima few times more than Diwali. Hi, this is Vaishnavi Kulkarni and we are going to talk about Kartik Purnima today. Today is 29th of November and full moon, that is Purnima, has started by 12:47 pm today and it will end by 3 pm tomorrow. Today is Kartik Purnima. So how this festival or day is celebrated, I'll let you know. Kartik Purnima is also known as Dev Diwali. That is Diwali celebrated by gods. So what is the difference between Diwali and Dev Diwali? There are different types of lamps people light up today and they have different significant meanings. So let's see and let's have a look on those lamps. I have lit up lamps in my balcony. People also light up 365 weeks or 751 weeks, known as Tripurari Vat. People consider lighting up 365 weeks, that is a Tripurari Vat, will give goodness of applying a lamp for whole year. We are going outside to Omkareshwar Mandir and we will see how people celebrate with enthusiasm, with joy, with happiness and with lights. How they celebrate Kartik Purnima, we will see. Let's go. We are near Omkareshwar temple and today is full moon. As we know, today is Kartik Purnima. So full moon you can see here. Very beautiful. We are near Omkareshwar temple. The temple is of whole stone and this is situated on the river bank of Mutha. This temple is of 18th century. This temple is made by Chimaji Appa, who was brother of Bajirao Peshwe I. People light up lamps in their house balconies and in temples on this auspicious day. In India, there is season of Amla from December to February. So in this period, people worship gods with lamp of Amla. We know Amla is very beneficial for our health, so we are lighting up Amla lamp. Amla lamp spreads its aroma in air and makes the place more healthier. Generally, people worship Lord Vishnu with tulsi leaves and Lord Shiva with Bilvapatra. But today, people worship Lord Vishnu with Bilvapatra and Lord Shiva with tulsi leaves, considering they both are one and the same. Today, people do Deepdan, that is, people offer diyas or lamps to each other to greet each other. I am going to offer my first lamp to our mother river. River carries water and water plays a very important role in our lives. So I am going to thank Mother River for surviving our nature. So that's how we celebrate Kartik Purnima, particularly in Maharashtra. People outside Maharashtra, they may celebrate in different way. People outside India, they may celebrate in different way. So people from different culture, they can comment me into comment box how they celebrate their Kartik Purnima. I'm Vaishnavi Kulkarni, signing off for today. Thank you.